If you want to land paid brand deals, then having a strong portfolio is a must. Brands need to see proof of your work before they actually invest in you. I am going to tell you exactly what you need in your UGC portfolio and how to make it stand out. I am Amanda. I am a stay-at-home mom, UGC creator, and a mentor for moms who are monetizing their skills online. Portfolio is your digital resume. If you think about it, when you go to apply for a job, they ask you for your resume. They want to see your work history. They want to see your experience. They want to see what value you can bring to a company. And this is exactly what brands want from their creators. But the thing is, brands aren't necessarily interested in your selfies. They want to see exactly how you can actually take your skills and your creativity and bring their products to life and make people want to actually buy. They want to see high quality content that is relatable and authentic, and it fits seamlessly into your everyday life. That is the whole purpose of UGC. Without a solid portfolio, brands are not going to take you seriously. They're just going to look like, okay, she's not ready, or she didn't do her homework, or, does she really know what she's doing? And let's be for real. We don't want to show up like that because we're trying to get to the bag. So if you're serious about landing paid opportunities, this is an absolute non-negotiable. All right, now let's talk about exactly what goes into a UGC portfolio. And I have my notes here so I don't forget everything. Now, one is the best, I would say your best video samples, all right? Choose at least 3 to 5 polished UGC videos. If you do not have any UGC videos because you have never worked with brands or you have never done this style of content, that is okay. You could do mock content. Start walking around your house and grabbing products that you already use and already love that you feel comfortable with. What you're going to do is you're going to showcase different styles of content that you could create: product demos, unboxing, testimonials, how-tos. Next, you want to put a short bio. And when I say short, y'all, short, okay? Like a paragraph. That's it. State who you are, what type of content you specialize in, and why brands should work with you. Next, you want to make sure that you put your contact info. There's so many portfolios that come across, and I'm like, girl, if they really want to work with you, they can't because they don't even know how to contact you. Now, if you have worked with any brands in the past, share the testimonials of your clients, share previous work, and you could also mention the brands that you have previously worked with. An aesthetic and clean design. Keep it simple, organized, and visually appealing. I actually create my portfolio inside of Canva. Let's talk about how we can make your portfolio stand out. I have 4 things that I am going to go over. So make sure, but matter of fact, y'all should already have your notebook and your pens out. Keep it short and sweet. Brands do not have time for a 10-page PDF. I'm telling you right now, they will scroll, they will delete, they won't open. 1 to 2 pages max, with clear, engaging examples. Now, I mean of your work, all right? Obviously, you're gonna have your introduction, your bio, but we don't need to have 6 pages of videos and photos. No, ma'am. That's not what we're going to do. Use clear, high quality content. Y'all stop with the filters. They do not, if a skincare brand wants to hire you, do you think they're going to hire you if they don't actually know what you look like without a filter? No. Blurry, shaky, or poorly lit, they will scroll right past. Lighting and clarity matter. So get comfortable, y'all. We had to take those filters off. Make it niche specific. Now, I put this down because in the beginning, it's good to work with brands that you are comfortable with. Because sometimes if you're not used to working with a specific product, you might be a little, I guess, hesitant. And I'm not saying to go for it. I'm saying to do it. I'm just saying in the beginning, if you do a lot of skincare content, then it might be easier for you to do a UGC video with skincare content or beauty content. So if you already have videos like that, or it might be easier for you to create. So if you can make it niche specific in the beginning, and then obviously those brands, it'll be more targeted. So you could do that, but it's also good to show a variety. These are the most common portfolio mistakes that you need to avoid. And when I tell you, make sure you still got your pen and your paper out, okay? Because you need to write these down. Listen, these are rookie mistakes. They could be easily avoided, okay? First one, using low quality videos. If it's not clear and engaging, they won't watch it, period. Include too much info. Brands just want to see your work. Keep it concise, not updating it regularly. Make sure that you're continuously updating it, whether it has to do with trends, whether it has to do with the time. Make sure it does. Content, social media, it moves quick, y'all. If your portfolio was done like 2 years ago, you need to update it. Seriously. As you grow, add new content. Do not let it get outdated because they will definitely be able to tell. The last one, which I said before, skipping contact info. Trust me, it's done a lot of times because I've seen it. If a brand loves you or loves your content, but they cannot find a way to contact you, you are going to miss out on so many opportunities. That's why I always tell people, put your email in your bio, but sometimes brands do not want to go searching for it. And they're not going to message you all the time and say, hey, can I get your email so I can send you an email and offer you this opportunity? No, there's people out there that actually search and actually, this is their job, and they look for creators, they look for talent, and they want to be able to go to your profile, to see your contact information, and to be able to reach out to you ASAP. They're too busy to be looking for stuff. All right, y'all. So that's everything that you need to know to create a UGC portfolio that not only gets you paid, but helps you to stand out. So if you found any of this information helpful, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and drop in the comments where you're at. Did you start your portfolio? Do you have a portfolio? Do you need to work on your portfolio? We listen, we do not judge over here. Make sure you check out the links in my description, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.